Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to fix Minecraft error cannot play multiplayer. So guys, first open your device and you can see any type your browser you want to do and go to search on Minecraft email and then go first site guys and wait a few seconds. And now as you can see here guys, you can slowly scroll and scroll down and enter your credential file as you can see here and describe your problem. And in this case guys, you not play online multiplayer, cannot play online multiplayer as you can see. So you can upload your screenshots on your problem and take the screenshots, and the support you will reply your, and you will then 48 hours the team Minecraft will reach you out and you find the certainly guide you through your problem. I hope guys this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't skip, like, share this video for more content and subscribe to my channel.